Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Reggie in California on the RCI-69FFB4. Reggie, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune alignment. Let's get right to it. We're going to start with the R power all the way down. 250 watt slug. We got you set up there about, what is that, 21 watts. That way if you decide to run like a 16 pill or something, you got full adjustability. Right at 125 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. Right at 220, 225 average. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello. Lays a 500 watt in the corner as usual. Sideband. Hello. And just a hair under 500. Alright, my friend. We're going to get this out to the Golden State. Reggie, I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.